Hi there, students. Okay, fuss. A noun or a verb. Fussy as an adjective. And you can even have a person, a fusspot. Okay, fuss is excessive worry or excitement about something. My mother is always fussing that I don't eat enough. Don't fuss, it's only a minor scratch. You're not going to have to go to hospital. They did the job with no fuss, with no excessive objections, with no pointless finding of problems or difficulties. Okay, a fuss can also mean an objection or a protest, especially in the phrase to make a fuss. They made a fuss about the bill. They said it was too much, but everything that was on the bill was what they had bought and taken away. He made a fuss about all the time that I had wasted. He made a fuss that there was a dirty mark on my shirt. Okay, so it's finding objections or protests to something. You can also use fuss to mean to pay special flattering attention to somebody, to make a fuss over somebody, to give lots and lots of attention and be worried that every detail is fine. The grandmother made a big fuss over her favourite grandchild. They made a fuss over me when I stayed, and I felt very at home. A 5-star hotel should make a fuss over its clients, make sure everything is perfect. So, to fuss, to worry over unimportant things, to make a fuss, to complain, to object. Yeah, they made a fuss when I asked to leave early. It wasn't necessary, but they complained, they objected. To make a fuss of or over somebody, to treat them really well, to focus on every single detail. Now, somebody who is fussy easily gets upset because things aren't exactly to their liking. This is somebody who pays excessive attention to small details, or that everything is exactly the way they like. Yeah, so they're fussy, and then they make a fuss if things are not exactly the way they want them. She is a very fussy eater. She's very particular, very demanding. So something that's fussy can also mean something that's full of superfluous details. The design is too fussy to be practical. It has too many small details. And then this fusspot I mentioned earlier, this is somebody who's always complaining because things are not perfect. Things are not exactly the way they want. A fusspot is somebody always complaining about minor details. Notice, to fuss is a regular verb. He fussed about the bill. He has fussed about the bill before. Now, what about formality? I would say fuss and fussy. These are probably 5 formality, and you can use them just about anywhere. Informal conversation, formal document. But be careful with this word of fusspot. This is informal or slang, and I give it a 3.5 formality. Yeah? A moaning Minnie. And then what would I say more formally? Somebody who complains all the time. Somebody who is never happy. And then as to origin, it's not clear, but maybe this comes from Danish. They have a word fjaz, meaning nonsense. Okay? So, fuss. Excessive worry about small detail. Excessive excitement about something that's not so important. To make a fuss, to complain about something. To be fussy, to pay excessive attention to small details and complain too much when they're not absolutely perfect. And then fussy, something that's over ornate as well. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To fuss, a fuss, fussy adjective, a fusspot, a person.